Hi everybody, welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how you can send a lot of files using this cool web application. So the name of our app is called WormHole. So if you can just Google WormHole, again it's WormHole, and then if you scroll down it's here. It's wormhole.app. Then let me open again. Again, this is the name of the what? Wormhole.app. This application, the web application, allows you to send up to 10 GB of files here for free. And all you need to do is very simple. So for example, I'm gonna show you how you can send if it's a single file, if it's a bunch of files, if it's a folder. So I'm just gonna go, for example, to my files, and let me show you. I can go to my, let's say, desktop here, and I can choose or let's go to downloads, for example. And if it's just one image, you can just go and drag it, and as soon as it says your file is ready to share, all you need to do is copy that link and share with somebody that you want to share that email with. So as for me here, let's see if I can go to my website, if I can go to my email. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, all I need to do here is compose a new email and then share that email to whoever you want to send that email to. And let me open this now, this link in a private window, so a person who is receiving the file, once they open, they will see something like this. Okay, my internet is a bit slow. So they will see something like this: download the file. So this file is only 1.2 MB here. All right, let's go again. I'm gonna show you one more thing. All right, so I'm gonna show you one more thing here. Let me go to, if you want to send more files, just go back here to the home page, say WormHole, and you can keep on dragging a lot of files, or you can just select this select file to send. You can select files, you can select a folder, as you can see there. So let me try to select maybe folder from my desktop. I'm gonna select let's say this one, and okay, this one, and maybe this one. These are, I know they're very small folders. So select, you can say upload, and then the whole folder will be uploaded, you see. And all you need to do is copy the link and share with the person you want to share. So you can share big, like if it's a big movie, if it's a video of like 5 GB or up to 10 GB, you can do that. But mind you that these files, they will be deleted in, you can select here, in 24 hours or after after number of downloads. So make sure that whoever you're sending this file to, make sure that they have to download either within 24 hours, or if you're sending to many people, you can choose how many downloads. All right, so try this tool and let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Also, while you are still here, you can send directly by clicking this send by email, and I think it will open your email app. All right, I'm not gonna open that, I'm just gonna close. All right, again, the name of our app is called WormHole.app. If you wanna read more about it, you can read here why they built this tool. It explains here the two guys that built this tool, and it's amazing. It's free. This is an alternative to services like WeTransfer, which I think they have a limit. Like maybe they don't have a limit, but obviously they're not free. You have to pay for them, or they have a bunch of ads and a lot of stuff. But Wormhole is very straightforward. You just go to Wormhole and you select your files, you send, you're good to go. All right, that was just a short video talking about this cool file sharing app. All right, bye.